List of 100 everyday sentences using is for fluent English practice. 1. The sky is blue. 2. This cake is delicious. 3. The water is cold. 4. The book is on the table. 5. My phone is charging. 6. The cat is on the windowsill. 7. The movie is really good. 8. This dress is beautiful. 9. The weather is sunny today. 10. The light is too bright. 11. The food is ready. 12. My coffee is hot. 13. The store is open now. 14. The baby is sleeping peacefully. 15. Her voice is soft. 16. The road is busy today. 17. This picture is amazing. 18. The clock is broken. 19. The bus is late again. 20. The room is very clean. 21. The teacher is kind. 22. The car is parked outside. 23. The park is crowded today. 24. The floor is slippery. 25. The show is starting soon. 26. The pen is out of ink. 27. My hair is wet from the rain. 28. His smile is contagious. 29. The answer is correct. 30. The test is difficult. 31. The chair is comfortable. 32. The soup is hot. 33. The flower is blooming. 34. This song is my favorite. 35. The sky is cloudy. 36. My wallet is empty. 37. The plane is landing now. 38. The kitchen is spotless. 39. The pasta is al dente. 40. The meeting is at noon. 41. His handwriting is neat. 42. The concert is tomorrow. 43. The elevator is out of order. 44. The forest is full of wildlife. 45. The child is playing in the yard. 46. The room is quiet. 47. This place is beautiful. 48. The machine is working fine. 49. The ocean is calm today. 50. The beach is perfect for swimming. 51. The movie is over. 52. The cat is curious. 53. This exercise is challenging. 54. The water is refreshing. 55. The cake is homemade. 56. The bridge is old. 57. The shirt is too small. 58. The coffee is cold now. 59. The price is reasonable. 60. The garden is well maintained. 61. The car is fast. 62. The sun is shining brightly. 63. This jacket is warm. 64. The stadium is full of fans. 65. My bed is so comfortable. 66. The vase is fragile. 67. This story is inspiring. 68. The chair is broken. 69. The castle is ancient. 70. The answer is obvious. 71. The dog is friendly. 72. This math problem is hard. 73. The smell is pleasant. 74. The lake is deep. 75. The fridge is empty. 76. The music is loud. 77. The room is dark. 78. The sky is full of stars. 79. The river is clean. 80. The meeting room is occupied. 81. The painting is abstract. 82. The meal is healthy. 83. The door is locked. 84. The traffic is heavy today. 85 The news is surprising. 86 The temperature is dropping. 87 The play is entertaining. 88 The soup is too salty. 89 The library is quiet. 90 This assignment is due tomorrow. 91 The puppy is playful. 92 The party is fun. 93 The wind is strong today. 94 The car is expensive. 95 The bridge is under construction. 96 The ice is melting. 97 The salad is fresh. 98 The moon is full tonight. 99 This problem is tricky. 100 The market is busy on weekends. These sentences should help illustrate various contexts in which is can be used.